These are the main passenger elevators at Riverview Apartments in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are also originally old Otis's modernized with Otis Series M2. Only one elevator goes down to the basement, and here it is. Obviously redone. Go to 15. This thing's also fast, but not as good as the freight elevator though, that you saw a little bit ago. Oh yeah, this thing is really nice. These things got really tasteful mods. They were modded, but they're really tasteful mods. Here, 15. Wow, this thing is fun. Otis Series M2 mod. Originally ordered. This is back down to the basement. EA phone. Very nice redone cabs. Look at this LED lighting. Look at those lanterns. Elevator 5. Leasing office on the second floor. Here back at the basement. Here goes that set.